As a scuba diver, you know how much beauty you can find underneath. However, you might not yet have the capability to handle expensive and heavy professional equipment to record it. And since you are just beginning to get used to it, you might forget important procedures such as dive signaling or checking your air regularly. Fortunately, you have a partner you can always depend on to help you simplify complications. Experience all new diving fun. Diving Assistant. Cool, smart, reliable, and entertaining. DIVEVOK. Wearable smart diving assistant includes 5 parts: the touchscreen input, audio output, multi-mode controlled lighting, dive helper application, and of course, your own smartphone. The C-Touch smartphone housing weighs only 110 grams. No need to use heavy photography device. With this, you have pure fun dive all the time. It allows full access to all the functions of your smartphone, while battery and overheating are no longer an issue. The dual lens are equipped for recording your best moments. This unique dive helper application allows convenient access to all modes by sliding a finger across the screen. There are different filters and digital filters for color restoration. These are easily accessed to ensure sharp and clear images in every shot. It provides exclusive safety audio alarms, SPG checking reminder, and diving signals for the divers whenever needed. Sea Light may be the world's first underwater strobe, especially designed to go with smartphone housing without the use of any handle tray. It allows synchronous flash, effective over a distance of up to 70 centimeters away from the smartphone. Perfect for macro photography. Choose among the 3 modes: strobe, torch, and SOS signal. Also, the torch's brightness is adjustable. The See Here earphone with proprietary ISO air tube has a stable and high-performance sound effect, even underwater, at a depth of up to 40 meters. The unblocked structure of the audio output port ensures comfort and does not affect the ear equalization, nor the ability to hear the external sound, which is safer for divers. It has an ergonomic design to ensure a comfortable experience. Selfie. Time-lapse. Slow motion. SPG checking alarm. Diving signal. Emergency contact. Instant upload and share. Also useful for other outdoor scenarios like biking, hiking, jogging, camping, swimming, all water activities. And to complete the combo, user can enjoy great underwater music.